look at you having your lunch. Look at you having your lunch. Spinach and spaghetti and some mushrooms. What else? Mmm. It's so good, isn't it? Yum, yum. Yum, yum. You eat it. You eat that spaghetti. Oh, it's so good. Mommy fixed you a good lunch, didn't she? Didn't she? Thanks, Mom.
Let's see how you like rice pasta. Try that. It's good. Blow on it. Good job.
Good job. Can you get it? She says, I'm having a time. Oh.
You can use your fingers too, babe.
Ooh, that's good, Mom.
Got it.
Oh, that's so good. I can't believe she eats all that stuff.